Namaste and welcome to my channel Creativity of Gayatri. Today I am going to show you how you can make a beautiful Rakhi at home. So before going to start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my instant videos. So let's get started. Here the main requirement is embroidery thread and a foam sheet and some decorative items according to your choice. So here I have taken a white color foam sheet and I have cutted it into a circular shape. After that I pasted over here this green color kundan. This all the decorative items you will get easily in craft shop or embroidery shop, where you can get all the cloth items like that. That means for stitching purpose, whatever the designs you are doing in cloth, they will get all these items. And here I have taken this embroidery thread, orange color and maroon color, so for tying purpose. You can see here how I am decorating it one by one. I have taken the chain and then I have taken this stone chain, then some kundans, and again I repeat the same way, and this way my Rakhi got prepared. I made it. Now I am going to make this thread. I am going to weave it. So here I have taken 3 sets of this thread and I segregate it. Now I am going to weave it one by one. You need to tie these knots like from both sides, and this way you need to paste it and for making it a whole kind of thing. So I have here used sellotape to weave it, and after that this way you need to prepare this tail. And here I have taken the bead also. I threaded here bead like this. You can pasted it, and back side also I have pasted it one more to secure this thread. So you can see here. So let it be dry for some time, and after that you need to weave it again. So after 2-3 nut, I prefer to like thread some golden color bead. Here I have taken, you can see here, like this from both sides you need to tie to make a design. You should be very careful while doing it because this one we just attach it. So this is the golden bead which I have taken and I threaded here from both sides of this Rakhi, and again I need to weave it. This middle part you need to thread this golden color bead, and after that again you tie the knot from both sides to make a design, and this way you need to continue until the both sides should be same. So that's all for the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.